This is Falls 1. Still don't have people really here. Falls 2 is on the other side of that. And then to the right of me, down there, is that cave. But we'll take a cable car back. It's really first world to get to this place. Okay. Okay. Let's go. We made it to Waterfalls. Waterfalls. C-A-L-O-F-O-S-O. The guy was here earlier. We're first ones here, so he had the leaf blower, getting rid of all the debris. Just when tourists get here, we'll have a nice walking path. These are really beautiful falls. It's rainy season, so the falls are kind of full. You're not allowed to go in. They kind of monetize this. You have to pay to get in it now. There's a cable car that brings you right here, so you don't have to hike it. Back in the old days, you had to hike down this hill to get to it. It's nice.
Gonna walk across the creepy bridge at the creepy waterfall amusement park. Hopefully I don't die. Seems pretty stable. Oh, spider web. Duck. Another spider web. Whee! Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Daddy's over there taking a whiz and getting some more pictures. I gotta go take a poop, so we're gonna venture ahead. Whew. Pretty though. Pretty. So here's the sitch. I just went to the bathroom. Daddy's still down the hill, enjoying taking some pictures. He's not coming up the walk. So this is what I've got to entertain myself. We have a History of Guam museum. It says it's open. And then we have this rundown store with mannequins that I fully thought were people. Scared the living shit out of me. And I would go into the museum because I doubt Daddy would want to do that, so I could get that out of the way and just see what's up. But when I open the door, it looks like I might be murdered. So I really don't want to go in alone. Also, it seems the power is out, so I don't know what that's about. So now I'm in this creepy abandoned little village area, waiting on Daddy. He's having fun though. He likes Guam, so he's probably halfway down the river by now, going to go explore and catch him back in an hour or so. Oh, here he comes now. Not giving two shits, just walking across that bridge. Look at him go.
Well, I knew it was possible in there.
That's some railroad tracks for a little buggy that goes around, or used to. Something called Love Island. We got these old rides. Apparently this was open 30 years ago. So you got little spinner teacup thingies with some, and then you got this old ass train. It's all rusted through. They just put park benches on it, little swings, and that's it. We go back up. That's the Japanese. Nope. We're not in Japan anymore. It's the Guam Talofa Falls theme park.